and welcome to a brand new episode of The Core. My name is John, and today is Friday, January 4th, 2019. Let's start the show off with a look at the current and upcoming weather with our student meteorologist, Daniela.
Hello, Yorktown. I'm student meteorologist Daniela. It's right around 1 o'clock, and as you can see from the parking lot behind me, we are currently experiencing partly cloudy skies. The current temperature is 41 degrees, and it appears to be a perfect day to stay inside and watch TV. Tonight and leading into early morning, you can expect to see mostly rain. As always, have yourself a wonderful day, and let's take it back to the studio.
Thanks for that update, Daniela. Now let's try to put a smile on your face with the jokes of the day.
Hi, my name is Brian, and here are some jokes to remember the next time you're in a situation to tell some jokes. How does a snowman get to work? By icicle. What do you call bankrupt Santa? St. Nicholas. Join us again for some more jokes tomorrow, and until then, let's take it back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Brian. Now for all the word lovers out there, we present to you the word of the day.
Hi, my name is Karen, and welcome to the segment dedicated to improving your vocabulary, the word of the day. Today's word is ingratitude. Ingratitude is a noun. Ingratitude is defined as a lack of thankfulness. Thanklessness and ungratefulness are synonyms for ingratitude. In a sentence, ingratitude can be used like this. Hosts who make every effort to please their guests are apt to be hurt by ingratitude. Ingratitude. Can you use it today?
Thanks, kids. Now today's paper bag challenge with Emily.
Hello, my name is Emily, and today I'll be participating in the paper bag challenge. Let's see what's in the bag. It says, find one single object that has a mass of exactly 100 grams. Use the digital scale on the counter. Good luck. So I didn't find an object that was exactly 100 grams, but I did find a pair of scissors that was 99.9 grams. So that's all from today's paper bag challenge. Now let's take it back to you in the studio.
Thanks, kids. Now let's go to Nora with today's true or false.
Hello, my name is Nora, and today's true or false topic is Wings of Fire. Let's see if you can figure out which statements are true and false. Wings of Fire is written by T. Sutherland. True. Wings of Fire is about cats. False. Wings of Fire is about dragons. There are no humans in Wings of Fire. False. In Wings of Fire, humans are called scavengers and are considered to be about as smart as monkeys or maybe squirrels. Thanks for watching today's True or False. Now, let's take it back to you in the studio.
Thanks, kids. Now from the creative minds of Carol and Michaela, it's today's stop-motion short titled Pins and Needles.
While at Strang Middle School and out in the community, we strive to be safe, responsible, and respectful. In the spirit of this, we want to explore the following question. What are the expected behaviors of students in class? Let's see what some students at MESMS had to say.
One expected behavior for a student in class is to have your full attention on the teacher.
One thing teachers expect of you is to actually do your work.
The expected behaviors of a student in class is to listen to their teachers and work hard.
The expectation in class is not to talk to your partner or someone who you're sitting next to and do your work sufficiently.
What are the expected behaviors of a student in class? To pay attention and not talk when the teacher's talking.
The expected behaviors of a student in class is to not stand on the chairs.
I expect one of my students to always pay attention, do their best, and try not to distract the rest of the children. Do what is told of them.
Great job, kids. Now let's go to Sydney with Today in History.
Hello, my name is Sydney and I'm going to be sharing some facts and events that took place on this day in history. On this date, in the year 1896, Utah became the 45th state of the nation. Based on this event, we're going to focus today's facts on Utah. The capital of Utah is Salt Lake City. Utah is the site of the nation's first department store. This has been Today in History for January 4th. Now, let's take it back to the studio.
Thanks, kids. Inventions often change people's lives for the better. We were wondering if you could invent basically anything, what would it be? Let's see what the kids in the hall had to say.
If there was anything I could invent, it would be a time machine.
If I were to invent anything, it would be a robot dog.
If I could invent anything, I would invent people having real superpowers.
If I can invent anything, I would invent like a machine or like a speaker that when you say something, it gives you the answer to the question.
If I could invent anything, I'd probably invent a machine who would do all of my chores for me.
If I could invent anything, I'd invent a machine that does your homework.
Thanks, kids. Now let's go to Stavros with the lesson of the day.
Good afternoon, Yorktown. My name is Stavros, and today's lesson is from Social Studies class. Today in Social Studies class, we learned about ancient India. We learned about the caste system that the ancient Indians used. The caste system is how the Indians organized the social classes. That's all from today's lesson. Now let's take it back to the studio.
Thanks, Stavros. That's our show for January 4th, 2019. Thanks to all the students who contributed in today's episode. And as always, try your best to be safe, responsible, and respectful. Have yourself a wonderful weekend.